That's a good place. Then there's the center.
Good morning. Oh, that's good. Morning. Hi. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? Ay, kamusta kayo?
Sige, tabi ako. Parang gumanda araw. Nakakainis naman yung Starbucks na yan. Padadalan nga kita ng bagong Mac.
Sorry. Bala, alam ko may McDonald's yun.
Oo nga.
Talaga, maupo kayo.
Paggawan mo nga.
Maupo kayo.
Yorme, kakamiss ka.
Oh,
Happy you're back.
Ay, thank you. Ano lang, busy lang talaga. Very challenging.
Syempre, action ka agad. Ikaw yan eh.
Oo, kasi marami kaming things to catch up.
Ang ganda ng projects, mga very basic infrastructure. Sabi sa akin yung landfill, yung problema. Kaya ka pala mag-MMDA. Tapos yung drainage. I know that's big projects for you.
Hopefully. Kasi naawa na ako sa tao talaga. Yung baha, yung baha is more than the water. Yung the danger that it can bring to any person.
And their homes.
70 plus leptospirosis, and nobody's talking about it.
Oh.
Out of 260 infected under our healthcare, yung local government-owned run hospital. At 260, 70 plus ang namatay dahil sa leptospirosis, plus damage to property, of course. But I think it's high time na yung more than anything else, yung not belittling yung hirap ng buhay natin, but the danger that it can bring to health. Yun talaga, marami na natidisgrasya.
Pero mahirap, I mean, I'm sure you'll do something in Manila. Pero kabit-kabit lahat eh. So,
it has to be, the entire, although, pag titingnan mo, kami talaga ang pinakabugbog. Dahil, kami sasalok ng tubig.
pag ganun ba?
Oo, lahat yan papunta sa amin.
Catch basin.
Sa catch basin kami ng Metro Manila. So from the east towards west, sa amin yan. But it has to be addressed Metro Manila wide. It has to be. Hindi lang Manila.
Parang sa bakuna. Di ba kailangan buong NCR?
Alala nyo nun na no, we cannot just vaccinate our people. Those who want to be vaccinated should be vaccinated.
Kasi umiikot eh.
Iikot lang.
Umiikot lang. Eh kaya ka naman nandyan, Yorme.
Aberya. But may awa ang Diyos. May awa ang Diyos. Maupo kayo. Tatangkad kayo na. Welcome, welcome. Sorry, nagre-reminiscing lang kami. McDonald's is one of our partners sa tawag dito sa what do you call this during the time ng pandemic.
So, I was actually one of your constituents. Naka-receive ako ng mga packs.
Wow!
Dahil kasi dito ako sa Vito Cruz na when I was still in law school.
Talaga.
So si Attorney Miguel is with
so lawyer ka na.
Yes.
Congrats.
Pinalaki ako ng Maynila.
Thank you. At least, I'm happy for you. Napakahirap maging abogado. Ngayon, magbabar ops na.
Yes.
Itong quarter na ito.
Yes, this month po.
Naggagayak na rin kami dahil para masuportahan yung barista at saka the Supreme Court, of course, to yung conduct of
barista rin pala tawag doon.
Barista.
Party. Okay.
The baristers.
Yorme, this is Adi. She's the head of public affairs. Okay, and then Ben Marasigan, head of HR. Sila and Tess also with HR. Or HR, sila yung nag-handle ng senior citizen hiring.
McDonald is one of our early partners sa our goal na mabigyan ulit ng opportunity yung mga abled senior citizens sa Manila. Kasi sabi ko, if Japanese can do it, the Singaporean can do it, or Filipinos can do it also. Which turned out to be that. Yung isang I was with them the other day, isang company naman, ang nakita nilang mas engaging yung customer with the seniors. Like, may social interaction. It's not just serving the food, but meron silang, yung mga kwento sila magaganda.
May social life.
Sa kanila. Sa kanila as a company. May certain environment na nakikreate sa workplace na that motivates the young ones.
You have photos, right, of the seniors?
Yes, and we
Yeah.
I have the actual.
Live.
So on that note, we prepared a short update for you. I'll start off, of course, no need to introduce. So we are McDonald's Philippines under Golden Arches Development Corporation. Our principals, of course, Dr. George Yang and Mr. Kenneth Yang, and the one and only Madam Margot Torres,
Yes.
of course. And we've been here since 1981 with the first McDonald's store being in Moraita. It still is up today. It's owned by our owner-operator, Ms. Sal Fongo. And just this year, a couple of months ago, we opened our 800th store. It is in Davao Global Township, in Davao, so 2025. And also this year, some big news. We actually received our new term license. So Mr. Kenneth and Sir George were given another 20 years by McDonald's Corporation to own, operate, and grow McDonald's here in the country. Another 20 years for us. So it means we're here and we're here to stay. Yeah. So speaking of growth, so we are now at 808 stores nationwide. So 473 are company owned and 335 are, of course, owned by our franchise stores. And here in the city of Manila, drum roll please, we have a number of
39 stores.
39.
39 McDonald's stores.
You're may top 10 na yung Philippines sa buong McDonald's world.
Yes.
In terms of number of stores.
Yes.
Top 10.
So with every McDonald's store that we open, we are able to provide directly hired employment opportunities. So it's around 80 to 100 every new store. So in 2024, we opened 65 new stores. This year, we're looking at least another 65 new stores, and we'll generate another 80 to 100 employees per store.
Wow.
So we're really contributing a lot in providing these opportunities, and it will all ladder up to our current workforce of 70,000 plus. 90% are Gen Zs. Kagaya na lang po namin. Pasok na pasok sa Gen Z. Pinilit. Pero they are Gen Z because of our workforce. Since they are crew members, they are working students.
Yeah.
So talagang they are really part of this. And we're already seeing the Gen Alpha slow. Inaabangan na natin sila kasi papasok na yan sa mga grade 12 coming year. Okay, so we do a lot. We are actually committed in really strengthening or improving our employee experience. At sa McDo, we believe pag McDo, easy maging bestie ang aming crew managers and even us working here in the head office because we are committed and we've been prioritizing our people through different programs from recruitment. So our recruitment namin, we actually communicate it nationwide. We host job fairs. We partner with a lot of LGUs to be able to get local hires. Kasi gusto po namin, pag nag-open kami ng store, yung mga crew galing po sa city po, kung saan po yung McDonald's store. And then we are committed to DEI, of course, ensuring
I'm
that
pretty sure magbubukas din kayo sa Harrison Plaza.
SM na yun, di ba?
Oo. Oo.
Oo, actually we had one there before
for
nagsana.
HP,
Kasi ano na siya, full swing na.
Full swing na.
Full swing na
Sige,
siya.
sasabihan ko nga.
Kasi,
Kasi,
tabayanan nyo na kasi nakiusap na po sa kanila. Kasi at the time, tagalan sila sa City Hall for 3 years. Yeah, they were stunted yung kanilang development. But,
I hope they have a drive-through for us.
nag-ano ako, nag-audience ako na kung po pwede, full swing na nila. Kasi kaya ko lang naalala, dahil when you said that you're hiring within the city, simply because yun din ang sinabi ko sa kanila, kung po pwede, yung mga taga-Ermita, Malate, Paco area, ang kunin nilang empleyado. Liberisa,
that area.
kasi
Sabihin
ano
ko
lang,
nga.
across lang. I'm
Namimiss
just,
happy po to know Harrison Plaza, so very close to my heart, no?
Oo,
tayo sa
oo.
laking Taft Avenue po tayo, kaya very close to my heart. Yes.
Para ka na nasa Disneyland kapag ka nakapunta ka sa Harrison Plaza.
Tapos,
Buhay na yun, nasa Saints ko, Manila pa ako.
Oh, yes.
Harrison Plaza.
HP. So, yan po. So, marami din po kami ginagawa for DEI. So, we do a lot of celebrations, of course, with our LGBTQIA. Pero po, when we say DEI, it's not just about, of course, the LGBTQIA, but other marginalized communities. And which leads me to actually, ano po ba ang mga iba pa naming commitment? Of course, with every McDonald's employee, we ensure that they receive world-class training and that we equip them with lifelong skills. And because under our commitment to DEI, we are also very much committed to inclusive hiring. And that's why po we're here today to share with you our PWD and SC hiring. So, just some all of these, actually, all of our works have actually been recognized. So McDonald's Philippines is now one
Congrats,
of the top employers. So from
Recent lang yan.
different award-giving bodies, and talaga naman para kaming Gen Z, top 100 employers for fresh graduates. So these distinctions really demonstrate or affirm our commitment, of course, to progressive people practices. So specific to our senior citizen hiring. So our goal nationwide is to have at least 200 hired senior citizens across all our stores, but especially in key cities like Manila, wherein we do have a significant number of stores. So from the city of Manila, we are here to share where we are today. So in 2019, Yorm, if you remember, we were one of the first one to raise our hands and get on this, but the COVID pandemic hit. So we were not able to really bring in these hires. But as soon as we could, we were able to get back to it with 50 hires from the city of Manila out of our total 174. But the 50 is actually the biggest. The city of Manila has the highest number of seniors at PWDs in the McDonald's system. Obviously, there's an opportunity. So this 2025, we pushed more. So we now have 82 currently Manileños that have been under our SNPWD program. Again, highest of any city. But where do we? Yeah. Okay. So ito po, Yarmy, yung process namin. So we're
I remember the
aligned.
pick to work.
Yes. So, must be 60, but more than 65, be fit to work po.
4 hours a day.
And then, syempre, the necessary documents. The schedule, not more than 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, and they are, of course, in the customer-facing areas, like the lobby, they present the drinks, and we do not assign them to the kitchen or the other, because again, of the conditions.
Is the maximum 65 because that's the legal age of working?
Yes, that's the retirement age.
Yes.
And pursuant to our ordinance here in
Ah.
LG of Manila.
Kasi di ba very active na yung mga seniors
Oo.
ngayon?
Kahit
Pag
sa 70,
Meron ako mga 70 mahigit.
Yun,
Oo. Meron ako isang nakita during the campaign. Umarang siya sa motorcade ko. So, ano naman ako, bumaba ko siya, sasabihin niya, ako yung binigyan mo ng trabaho. Alam mo ilan siya? 92 years old.
Wow.
So, he was 89. She was 89 at the time. So,
Pero,
naglalakad
kaya
siya
nga
talaga on the store.
So, hindi, if Manila releases an ordinance na allowed up to well,
Actually, pwede naman basta physically.
Basta fit to work.
Oh,
Yun yung important.
ito lang naman importante. Ito
pwede.
yung importante sa peso namin.
Yes.
Na fit to work sila, tapos out of kitchen.
Oo.
Yun lang. Wala na kami halos.
So, can we review?
Pero more than po of course, the job opportunity, we have other benefits. So may free uniform, free meal, personal accident insurance, and even premium items. So we're very proud na. It's not just the salary, but we go above and beyond and give them.
It's more on
Nice benefits.
what I'm after is the productivity.
Yes.
That they are being valued.
Yes, yes.
And not treated any different.
Importance, given importance. Yun naman ang ano ko doon, ang habol ko.
Yes.
Tapos, siyempre, secondarily, meron silang konti pang income, pang metformin, lusartan. Kaya pag nakikita ko ng mga lolo't lola ko, sumweldo ako, Yorme. Ano gagawin mo? Ay, papasyal ko yung apo ko.
Ayun po, so ngayon, mamaya po may kwento po yung mga yan. So, specifically, Yorme, sa City of Manila, so we have 26 now participating
Out of the 39.
out of the 39 who will be employing seniors and PWDs. So, ang assignment po nun, 2 per batch po ang ano namin, per store ang ano namin. And they are for 5 months. Okay. So, on that note, I will actually turn over the floor. So, meron po kaming mga in-invite. Ayan po sila. na gusto din po sana nilang mag-hi at medyo may magkwento po sa inyo. So,
Kamusta ang ano nyo, experience nyo?
Very well, sir. It's just like, you playing this, not literally, then yung habang nagtatrabaho ka, you meet other people, new people, then yung mga kasama mo sa store, they take you as a family.
Nakakatuwa naman. Nag-enjoy naman kayo.
Yes, sir.
Saan kayo nauwi?
Ako, sir, sa Paco.
Paco. Kayo, ma'am? Paco. Good. May maganda silang store dyan sa likod ng dating Petron. Sa tabi ng maganda yung store nila doon.
Open niya.
Meron pa tayo doon sa tapat ng Manila Zoo. Maraming magagandang mga pwesto ng McDonald's. Sige, I'm happy for you. Nag-i-enjoy kayo.
Tapos, syempre po, malaki pong tulong sa stores namin. Kasi because their lobby, ang mga customer hindi masungit yun. Pag natapat na sila sa, di ba?
It creates an environment. Sabi niya.
Yes.
Yun ang sinasabi sa akin ng manager. Sir, it changes we went back to our Filipino culture.
Oo, rinerespeto mo talaga.
Yung mata. Opo. So, it's
Yun ang
really great when we hear those stories na talagang sa store, they see the benefit po.
Kaya na-inspire yung mga bata na empleyado. Kasi nabawa sila sa toxicity sa workplace. Kasi siyempre,
tignan mo naman ang aura, di ba? Napaka-positive.
Saka times 56 pa yan pag nagsalita.
Oo.
English eh. Yeah. Oh.
Oo nga eh.
Maraming mga
Oo.
senior ako na ano talaga, malakas pa. Kaya lang talaga because of the restraint of the law, they need to retire. That's why we came up with this idea. And this is not a new idea actually. It's a copy idea somewhere else, somewhere in the world. We've been around and we see, pwede naman pala. And then I'm happy that McDonald's heeded to the call and dreams and aspiration of the city. Giving back or putting and giving added value to our city and importance to our citizens. Kasi gano'n naman tayo as Pilipino.
At tama po yung nasusuway po nila yung mga jails.
May jail guard ka.
Hindi yung direkta doon ng mga sina. Uy, anak.
Meron pa nga mga story na yung mga malulungkot na may mga challenge na customer, emotionally challenged. Nauupuan ng mga matatanda. Ano nila.
Kaya naman po, we are strengthening, of course, our commitment to this program. So, we've expanded na to actually with other cities, but City of Manila is the first and the largest site and source of our senior citizens.
I'm happy also if this is going to be done all over the country.
Yes,
If it is possible to Manila, it's now possible to any places remaining 1,600 plus LGU.
And we're seeing some interest whenever we do talk to their local government. They are asking like, okay, they're interested din po talaga to do it. So, ito na po ang aming so we have hired total of 90 across the 7 as of this January, and we're gonna close with around 114 by the end of the year. So, meron tayo din tinitingnan na 52 additional hires in 2025 for a total of 84 dito po sa City of Manila by 2020 for this year.
Thank you.
And then actually, medyo ko-commercial ako break mayor dito. Kasi aside from our senior citizen and PWD hires, so we want to present a possible opportunity for us to really elevate early childhood education through our Ronald McDonald Bahay Bulilit Learning Center. So magpipitch lang po kami kung ano po to.
Nakikita ko to, lalo na sa mga provinces.
Yes.
Dami. Dami ito. Nakikita ko to.
Yung pinaka-latest po namin is the 50th. We did it in Naval, Biliran. Na it's considered po a
3 hours from Tacloban.
Ang layo no. That's between Samar and Leyte.
Yes.
Biliran.
But just last month also, we opened naman na Bahay Bulilit in Parañaque. So,
Kaya ako naghuhulog ng coins eh.
Thank you po.
Thank
you.
Pag bumibili ako. Kasi may coins eh. May news. Tapos may Ronald McDonald house.
Ayan.
Naghuhulog ako doon eh.
Sa drive
Kasi
ko
nakikita ko kung saan pupunta yung yung Chape eh.
So ito po ang aming breakdown kung nasan tayo. So from all the way from Parañaque all the way to Marawi City, meron po tayong Ronald McDonald Bahay Bulilit. But our goal is to grow it to 100. So 50 pa lang po, may pa akong balancing 50 na ba? 50 pa po yung hinahanap namin. Kaya baka interested po tayo to partner because it's a tripartite. Basically, the LGU will find us a space around 100 square meters, 100 to 150 square meters. We will build the structure and the local CSWD will run the job.
To turn over din namin yung structure.
Sa MSW.
If there's the other option is for us to adopt an existing one. Kung meron pong daycare that needs renovation, we can adopt it.
Madami. Madami.
We can adopt it and turn it to a Bahay Bulilit without really.
Isa kasi sa scarcity ng highly urbanized setting is space.
Yes.
But the good thing, there is ample facility that may need TLC.
Yes.
Yun, mas Madali kayo makaka-deploy.
Yes,
Pag PDLC po, ganito ang
Yeah.
labas niyan. So we have the learners area,
Yeah.
naka-scale din po yung mga facilities like washrooms, toilets, naka-scale for children 2 to 4 years old. So a house can accommodate around 40 in every
Yeah.
session. So times 2, 80 po in a batch every school year. And we're also experimenting na ibang bahay bulilit, may solar panel na para again to help the operating cost keep it down. So,
Yorme, may isa pang option. Asan si Boss Cesar? Sorry, hindi ko nasabi to. Ngayon ko lang nag-isip. We already started to open a family room
yeah.
in a hospital.
Okay.
Meaning, so, hospital, may mga batang may sakit. So, merong isang room na medyo hindi...
Kids play area.
Parang siyang lounge po.
Parang lounge ng bata.
Oo.
Ah.
Na pwedeng pumasok ang mommy, na para iba yung atmosphere. Kasi nasa hospital ka na nga, di ba? Sometimes it's depressing. So, nagawa na yan sa Philippine Children's Medical Center sa QC. So, if you also have a hospital,
Pwede rin yung...
Children.
pwede rin yan.
Sige.
We will fix a room.
Yes po. So, yan po ang itsura ng bahay bulilit. Meron, ready na nga po kami sa floor plan, Yorme. Ready na. And in terms po of how would it go, so we'll look at the initial discussion, we'll do ground break, takes us around 40, kaya pong mababayan minsan up to 30 to 40 days of construction. Then we do a turnover ceremony. Now we make it big, syempre we celebrate it with the local community and the parents po of the kids. And then day-to-day operations. So ganyan lang po kabilis. Para talaga ako nagbebenta ng bahay bulilit. So this is just a list of requirements, but basically we're ready and we're excited po sana if we can have another Ronald McDonald bahay bulilit here.
Kailan ba yung Manila Day ulit? June?
June next year. Next year.
June.
June kami lagi.
Maganda mo kasi.
Maganda.
Maghanap ako.
So,
Mga
pwedeng
multiple
renovate.
adaptation. Adoption. Marami kaming we have about almost 400 na kami higit na daycare center.
123 sir.
See?
Ilan po, ilan?
423.
Okay.
Kaya dito magsasawa. Kaya we have ample
Sa Manila pa lang
facilities.
pala, ta-target ka na
Oo,
eh.
ito po yung example nung, ito po yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Margot na family room. So this is in Philippine Children's Medical Center. So
Okay.
ang target po niya is, di ba, ang mga pag nagbabantay ng bata, they sleep sa pasilyo,
Yeah.
sa sahig. So ito po, para siyang lounge nga where families can rest. So may mga chairs, sofa, they can have basic snacks, and may play area po sa loob for kids. So it's really for families with sick children, and we're targeting po yung sick children, critical illness, so talaga po madalas.
Meron kami
bumabalik
ni Gap,
sa-
inano ko sa kanya inilaan ko sa kanya yung isang space namin. Ginawa namin bahay lingap. Malapit na namin na buksan. Nung ano ko pa yun, nung first time ko. Tapos natinggal lang ng 3 years. But now we're actively developing it. The same,
Concept.
yung mga cancer patient that going to
ganon.
Manila, nagre-rent sila
Oo.
Nagbo-boarding
Yeah,
house.
yeah.
Gusto namin halfway house nila.
Oh, ganun
Para-
talaga
Halfway
yun.
house.
Para wala nang gastos. Para wala nang gastos.
Pero yung bahay bulilit, ito talaga sa bata.
Mm.
Yung the way it was designed.
Design.
For kids.
Tingnan mo rin yung Marikina namin.
Tingnan po,
Yung Marikina Boys Town namin. Boys
Boys
Town. Marami kami mga facilities doon. Marami kami mga spaces pa doon. You may be interested.
But
Yun,
why is it
natin.
called Marikina Boys
Boys
Town in
Nalito
Manila?
ako.
we own it It's supposed to be a boys town for boys and girls town for unwanted
Kaya ba
individuals or kids. Then, nagkaroon na ng luwalhati. Yun namang mga para senior namin. So, yan. Itong week lang na to, nakadalawa kami. Dalawang senior na neglected. Kinuha namin sa kalsada na hospital namin. Nasa pasilidad na natin. Masaya. Ang maganda, alam mo, matutuwa ka talaga sa matanda. Nakahiga siya sa kalsada. May nag-concerned citizen. Pinidyoan siya. Tanong niya, Anay, anong kailangan? Yorme, tulungan mo ako. Maano ka? Talaga kahit vagrant, alam niya. So immediately we took her, sent her to the hospital, stabilized. Then she's with our facility. Kasama niya yung mga lolo't lola ko doon sa Marikina. Maraming spaces doon. Yung makapag-iisip ka, your wildest dream. Amin yun, we own it.
You just own the property.
It's may eskwelahan doon.
Yes. But I've heard of that, yeah. In fact, I think it's near, one of our stores.
Tingnan niyo yan. Baka makapag-isip kayo ng isang legacy project.
We can, collaborate for
Yan, may school yan sa loob. Atin din yung school being run by them.
And actually, yun na po yung last. So, talagang thank you for your time, Yorme. We're excited again to, put back some more energy in our senior citizen and PWD hiring here in Manila. First and largest.
Mas excited ako para sa mga lolo't lola ko.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi ako talaga, promise.
Saka, binabanggit ko nga po, attorney, sa kanina po sa taas, nag-i-interview, nag-pre-screening na po kami ng mga senior citizens po natin.
We're getting ready
Actually, for deployment, sa JNF po yata sila. For this month.
Ayun.
Tapos,
paano nag-Viber message to eh? Siyempre, we will support you.
Thank you. Hindi, ako, lagi ko naman pinakikisuyo yung mga nasasakupan ko. Like what I have told you about Marikina. Minsan kasi marami namang private sector gusto tumulong. Ang ginagawa ko na lang, nire-redirect ko na lang, ito particular na kakailanganin na. At least maibsan man lang yung problema nila. I'm happy.
mga Indesero, Yorme yun.
Times 56 nga eh.
Gusto ko sa mga lolo't lola.
Nakaka-pressure tuloy kasi nagig-English sila, Tagalog yung tanong, English ang sagot.
Yan ang Manila. Hindi talaga. I think some, and maybe most, economic reason, but some is really doing something.
Emotional.
Tsaka iba pa, when you reach that age, it's
You wanna
good
be
na
sharp.
sharp yung
Yes.
minds.
Kailangan may activities.
Yes.
Yeah.
Abot din tayong lahat dyan.
Una-una lang yan. Una-una lang yan.
Kaya actually, Yorme, makikisuy po, pwede po pa namin picture na aming mga
Of
Kasama
course.
ang lolo't lola mo.
Liga.
Sila po ang ayunahin.
Ano?
Saan po ang best?
Hiro, tabi mo
Camera
ito.
lang.
Thank you. Sorry.
Tatalan kita.
Yeah.
Ako okay, Garrett.
Si Dino nag-message kay Paano. Live si Norville.